This is a new 2014 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 6.2-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, premium rims, auto dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Mike Dorian Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 35900 Gratiot Avenue, Clinton Township, Michigan 48035.